I'm going to show you how I build custom voice agents in under 10 minutes every single time. First thing is I set up a form that's connected to a GoHighLevel workflow that sends a webhook over to NAN that does the rest of the process. So Charles Dove, we're going to put in the phone number. And as you can see, I added the website link right here. That's the data that's going to be sent over to the rest of the process. And now we can see it sent over the enrollment. So now I'm entered and it's going to be sent over into this. Now, as you can see, it is running. So now I just got to wait for it to work. And I'm going to show you how the workflow works in NAN here in 1 second. It's got a few more moments, but I'm going to show you how this actually works. So webhook from GoHighLevel into the Apify web scrape. And most people hide this stuff. I'm just going to show you. So it's going to crawl my website and it's using not a lot of money at all. Like it's literally, this one was maybe 1 cent. This one was 9 cents. It's probably going to finish at like 1 cent. And then what it's going to do is once it finishes, it's going to go over into the message with ChatGPT, and it's going to use this prompt. So you can take a look at it. It's pretty straightforward. Could be better, but it's pretty straightforward for what it really needs to deliver. And it's going to basically use the context from the node before, which is all the text data from the website, right? So text, dragged it over here, boom. It's going to go ahead and it's going to process that information, send a proper output, which I didn't show you here. So it's going to take all the data, it's going to give me a message. And then what I did was, and you could also do a code structure here, or I just did it in a JavaScript, a code section here to parse the information out to knowledge base, custom grading, and agent instructions, and then basically have it update the contact fields, and then everything else in GoHighLevel will automatically create the voice AI agent for me. And I'm not going to gatekeep anything. I'm going to literally just show you and tell you that a lot of people automate this process and pay a few $100s a month to have this all done automatically through something like SynthFlow or Vappy or Retail. And then they go ahead and they build the voice agent through GoHighLevel after they've already acquired the customer. And I'm just going to tell you, to save money, you could literally just have it automate the custom fields. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to build the bot with this information. So since mine was already completed, you see the knowledge base, custom grading, and agent instructions. Okay, so I'm literally just going to have it call me now so you guys can hear how it works. Okay, so it's giving me a ring now, as you guys can see. We're going to pick up. Might be a little low.
Hey, this is Autumn with CNC Strategic. May I ask who I'm speaking with and how we can help you?
Hi, this is Charlie. I need some help with my business. What do you guys do?
Hi, Charlie. Great to connect with you. We specialize in building AI systems, websites, automations, CRM setups, and full digital operating systems to streamline businesses. What type of business do you run? That'll help me understand how we might assist you best.
So I run an HVAC business.
Got it. An HVAC business. What systems are possible?
Okay, so you see how that worked, right? And I'm going to show you guys a prime example of something that is not my company. So you can see if the quality was low in the AI, it was basically just telling me about my business, etc., etc. But let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. Live testing it on another business. So I just looked up this local business. I don't think their site's been updated in a while. 2025. Okay, I'm sorry. But there's no chat widget or anything, and I usually would call this business after hours to see if they have any voice AI or anything to pick up the call after hours. So all I'm going to do now is fill out that form again. Okay, so I just put in their information. I'm going to click book my call, and that way it's going to go ahead and process all the details now. Same thing, right? Trigger form, and then it would trigger the webhook, send the data over, JSON, body, contact ID, email, name, website. Okay, you'd connect all the right integrations. So it's running it now. And as you can see, it's crawling all these pages now. It's running up a bill, and we're just going to wait. So as you can see, it scraped the information from the website, gave a custom knowledge base, custom greeting, and custom agent instructions, and it put them in the fields here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over to AI agents, and we're going to create a voice AI agent here in 2 seconds. I just duplicated the one that I had, and we're just going to take the company name, and it's Lombardo's. So we're just going to call it Lombardo's. Okay. And we're just going to change everything here. So the custom greeting, we're going to place that here. We're going to do next. we're going to do a custom knowledge base. So we're going to create a knowledge base and we're going to call it Lombardo's. Okay. And then we're going to create it. I'm just going to do rich text. I'm going to do the knowledge base, Control A, copy, paste. Okay. This obviously could look a lot better than how it currently looks. But we're going to put Lombardo's web scrape, parsed, or whatever you want to put. Save that. Okay. Okay, in the agent goals, we're just going to come here and we're going to click Lombardo's. And we're just going to leave this as something straight up. That's usually the template. Okay. Then we're going to take the agent instructions and I'm just going to paste these here. Obviously, this is not formatted correctly, but it will work. So we're going to save this. Okay, now I'm going to have this call me.
Thank you for calling Lombardo's Heating and Air Conditioning, where we provide trusted HVAC repair and installation services in central New Jersey. How can we assist you today?
I need some help. My HVAC system just totally broke down and it's been absolutely freezing in the house. My wife's going to kill me. Can you help me out?
Oh no, that sounds really stressful, especially with the cold weather. Let's get this sorted out for you right away. We can send one of our certified technicians to take a look at your HVAC system. We offer same day and emergency service, so we'll make sure you're taken care of quickly. Can I go ahead and check for the next available appointment for you?
Okay. And there you go. And you can instruct the agent to do really whatever you want per each situation. I have a template, appointment booking, grab information for my business, but it could be custom to any business. And I did this, and we're literally 8 minutes into this video or so, probably less actually after I edit. This is literally how I build voice agents in all under 10 minutes per client or even per mockup. I highly encourage you guys, if you've got some value out of this video, to like and subscribe. There is a button on the bottom right corner, the subscribe button. You can see it. It's somewhere below as well. In my description, I've also attached my school community where it's going to be beta access. It's invite only for now, and we're going to be doing a lot of really cool things in there. We're going to be giving away a lot of free website builds, free AI builds, and I'd love to see you on the inside. So if you have any questions about the build that I have currently showed you, please leave a comment. Any and all feedback is appreciated, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.